Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2022 VW Touran SE Family. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and returning up to 42 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 17, and this is a one-owner vehicle, having covered just over 17,000 miles and comes with full service history from Volkswagen. This colour is the metallic deep black and looks in great condition for the age of mileage of the car. And as we have a look inside, we've also got the nice clean interior. The seats there are in really good condition. There's an armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. A few other features I can mention: the car also has air conditioning, active cruise control on the left hand side of the steering wheel, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card, your electric mirrors and full window controls. Being a people carrier, you've got a nice wide rear door opening there, so very easy to get children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have their own picnic tables there that can be folded flat. And there's also a charging port there in the centre. On the windows, you've also got the pull-up blinds, which is ideal for young children. Opening the tailgate reveals the 7-seat option there, and I folded 1 seat flat just to show you how big the boot is when the third row is down. But overall, a really practical family car. And then underneath the boot floor, you've also got some storage there for your parcel shelf when it's not in use as well. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 16-inch alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. And the car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions, or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.